What's the meaning of age concern? Age concern. Age concern. Age concern. Age concern. Age concern. Age Concern is a UK charity that supports elderly people. It was founded in 1949 and works to improve the quality of life for older individuals and promote their rights. The organization provides a range of services, including advice on issues affecting seniors, advocacy, and community programs. It also campaigns for better treatment of the elderly and lobbies for policy changes to address their needs. Overall, Age Concern aims to help seniors live independently, stay active, and enjoy a fulfilling life in later years.